What if Claude didn't just read the prompts you typed, but actually remembered everything you saw, typed, heard, and forgot? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at something completely game-changing for local AI automation. This is Screenpipe. It is an open-source system that turns your desktop into a searchable, local memory layer for Claude Code. Imagine having an AI assistant that watches your screen 24/7 with only 5 to 10% CPU usage and remembers every single line of code, every terminal error, and every meeting you've had. I'm on their GitHub repository right now, and as you can see, this is a fully open source, local first, and privacy-focused tool. Your data never leaves your machine. Scrolling through their documentation, you can see exactly how it works. Screenpipe captures your screen, your audio, and your local storage, and then feeds that directly into an AI model. It's essentially a God mode memory for your computer. The best part is it's completely event-driven. It's not just blindly recording massive video files and eating up your hard drive. It listens for meaningful operating system events like app switches, mouse clicks, and clipboard activity, and only captures what has actually changed. You can run this in the background, and it uses minimal RAM. Let's head back to the main site and look at why this actually matters for your workflow. Now, why is this so powerful? Look at these use cases right here. Because Screenpipe continuously captures your desktop reality, it completely closes the context gap. Here are 5 moments where this tool will literally save your coding sessions. Number 1, recovering a code snippet you saw and lost on a random web page. Number 2, finding that terminal error that flashed on your screen and disappeared before you could copy it. Screenpipe captures the frame, reads the text via OCR, and Claude retrieves it for you. It can even recall what your team decided in a morning stand-up meeting just by processing the audio transcripts. It captures, extracts, indexes, and exposes everything locally. This is what true autonomous AI looks like. Now, before we actually install this and get it running in Claude, I need to take a quick time out. If you are serious about building autonomous AI systems like this, and you want to stop renting AI and start owning it, you need to be inside my private school community, the AI Money Forge. Just look at the feed right now. Our members are already dropping mind-blowing alpha on OpenClaw, subagents, and Claude Code repositories. This isn't just a chat room, it's a war room for AI entrepreneurs. Let me show you the Classroom tab. Inside, I am giving away entire step-by-step courses completely for free. We have the AI Money Systems course, full automation blueprints, and even an entire module on setting up OpenClaw and Llama completely locally. This is where the real money is made. It is 100% free to join right now, but that won't last forever. Click the link in the description, join the Forge, and get instant access to all these blueprints. Stop watching from the sidelines and come build with us. All right, let's get back to the build. We are going to connect Screenpipe to Claude Code, and it only takes one command. We are using MCP, the Model Context Protocol. This is the bridge that allows Claude to securely access your local Screenpipe database. Look at these developer prompts. Once this is running, you can literally type into Claude, "What was I debugging before lunch?" Or what did we decide in stand-up about the AI factor? And Claude will bridge your browser history, your OCR text, and your editor context to give you the exact answer. No more digging through notes. No more lost context. Let's actually put this to the test right now. I am opening up my Claude Code interface. Instead of doing this manually, I'm going to make Claude do the heavy lifting. I'll paste the GitHub repo link and tell it, let's install Screenpipe from here. Watch this. Claude asks for permission to modify my local files. I hit Trust Workspace. Right now, Claude is autonomously fetching the web page, deciphering the repository, and reading the documentation to figure out exactly how to install this on my specific machine. It's evaluating the best path forward without me having to write a single line of code. Claude comes back and gives me 2 options. We can download the desktop app, or we can run it via the command line for developer access. I'm just going to tell it, do both then. Claude adds the MCP server and executes the terminal commands autonomously. You can see it running the npx Screenpipe record command right now. And look at that output. Screenpipe is live, it's capturing my screens, monitoring the audio transcription, tracking UI events, and it's running completely locally on port 3030. Claude even gives me a perfect summary of what it just did. You now have a fully functional, AI-powered photographic memory on your computer. If you want the exact prompts and workflow I use in this video, I've uploaded the entire cheat sheet inside the AI Money Forge. Hit the like button, subscribe, click the link below to join the school group, and I will see you in the next build.